Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmeya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. Now we will start lesson number 7, more division. So first we will see what you had learned our last classes. So very well know, all of you know what you had learned our last classes. So first we had learned division. Okay, 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So, for example, 69 divided by 3. So, suppose we are divided 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So, look at here, 3 is the 1-digit number and 69 is the 2-digit number. So, first we will see that 6 is the present into the 3 table. So look at here table. Yes, 6 is present in the 3 table in the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here. Now we will take out 9, bring down the 9. Okay, so now 9 is present in the 3 tables. Look at here. Yes, 9 is present into the 3 table in the place of 3. So we'll write here 3. So this is one method and this is second method. So how much getting quotient? 23 we are getting quotient. Next we had learn about division with regrouping. Okay, so here look at here 75 divided by 3. So first this is 3 is the 1-digit number. So we'll take 7. So 7 is present 3 tables. Look at 3 tables. No. So what is the nearest value of 7? 6 and 9. Which 6 and 9. But 9 is the greater than 7. So we'll take 6. In which place 6? 2 place. So we'll write 2 here and here 6. 7 minus 6 1. Now bring down 5. Okay. 1 5 15. Now look at 3 table. 3 के टेबल में 15 है. Yes, in which place? 5th place. So we'll write 5 is here and 15 minus 15 0. So we'll get 25 is the quotient. Now we will see our today's topic, division of 3-digit number with regrouping. Okay, this is the 2-digit number and now here is the 3-digit number. 3-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So example number 1, look at there. 488 divided by 4. Okay, 488 divided by 4. So 4 is the 1-digit number. So we'll take first 1-digit number. So look at here 4. So 4 table 4 is present. Yes, in which place? 1 place. So we'll write 1 here and 4 minus 4 0. Now bring down 8. Now 8 is present 4 table. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 2 is here and 8 minus 8 0. 9. Now bring down that 8. Okay. So 8 minus 8 means that 8 is present in the 2 place. So 8 minus 8 is the 0. Okay, then we will get quotient 222. So look at there. Divide the 100, filling the blanks 100 divided by filling the blanks 100. ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय 100 जो हमारा 4 है, 100 के प्लेस पे क्या है 4 है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे 4 के साथ डिवाइड किया है मतलब ये 400 के प्लेस में है. 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 400. 400 के साथ हमने किसको डिवाइड किया है 4 के साथ डिवाइड किया है. तो हमें कितना मिल गया है 100 मिल गया है. राइट 1 इन द फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स इन द क्वोशंट. 1 हमने कौन से प्लेस पे लिखा है 100 वाले प्लेस पे लिखा है कि नहीं. 1 कहाँ पे लिखा है 100 के प्लेस पे लिया है. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2, ब्रिंग डाउन. किसको ब्रिंग डाउन किया है 8 को ब्रिंग डाउन किया है. ठीक है, 8 टेंस को. सो 8 टेंस पे क्या है 8 है. नाउ विच इज डिवाइड 4 को डिवाइड किया है हमने तो हमें कितना मिला है 4 को डिवाइड करने के बाद, 8 को 4 को डिवाइड किया है तो हमें कितना मिल गया है 2 मिल गया है। 2 कौन से प्लेस पे है, टेंस के प्लेस पे है। कौन से प्लेस पे है, 10 के प्लेस पे है। राइट 2 इन द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कॉलम। 2 को हमने कौन से कॉलम पे लिखा है, 10 वाले कॉलम्स पे लिखा है। ओके, नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3 ब्रिंग डाउन। अभी हम किसको नीचे किया है, 8 को, 8 वंस को। सो हियर इज द 8 वंस, किसके साथ डिवाइड किया है, 4 के साथ किया है तो हमें कितना मिला है 2 वंस मिला है। और हमने इसको कहा किस पे, कौन से प्लेस पे लिखा है, वंस प्लेस पे लिखा है। कौन से प्लेस पे लिखा है, वंस वाले प्लेस पे लिखा है। सो हाउ मच गेटिंग आंसर 122, कितना आंसर मिल गया 122। सो लाइक दैट दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो लुक एट हियर 404 divided by 4. Okay, now 404 this is the डिविडेंट विथ 0. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 0 है बीच में, तो हम कैसे करेंगे, 404 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 किया तो 4 इज प्रेजेंट इन द 1 प्लेस, सो विल राइट 1 हियर, 4 minus 4 0. नाउ ब्रिंग आउट 0. यहाँ पे 0 है, 4 के साथ 0 हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है, 0 होता है. सो 0 minus 0 0. नाउ ब्रिंग आउट 4. ओके, सो नाउ 4 is the place of 1, तो 4 divided by 4, 4 minus 4 0, and here is the 1. So how much getting question 101. Now look at in example number 3. So here is the 400. क्या है यहाँ पे 400 है. सो 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 किया तो हम क्या करेंगे, 4 1 सा 4, 1 लिख दिया, 4 minus 4. अभी ये 0 को हमने नीचे लिखा है, 4 को अगर किसी नंबर के साथ हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या होता है 0 होता है, तो हम यहाँ पे 0 लिखेंगे, 0 minus 0 0. ना ये 0 नीचे लेंगे, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे भी 0 लिखेंगे 0. सो हाउ मच गेटिंग आंसर 100. सो 400 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 वी विल गेट 100. Now look at in exercise 7.3. So this is 2-digit number, this is also 2-digit number, and that 3-digit number, and this is the 2-digit number. Look at here. 96 divided by 3. How much? 96 divided by 3. So now look at in the 3 tables. 3 के टेबल में 9 है. Yes, which place? 3 place. So we'll write 3 here. 9 minus 9 0. Now bring down 6. 6 को bring down करेंगे. Now 6, look at 3 के टेबल में 6 है. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 2 here, and 6 minus 6 0. So how much getting question 32. 99 divided by 3. 99 divided by 3. So look at here, this is the 99, this is 2-digit number, and this is 1-digit number. So look at there 3 tables. 3 के टेबल में 9 है. Yes, in which place? 3. So we'll write 3 here, and 9 minus 9 0. Now bring down 9. 9 is the place of 3, so we'll write again 3 यहाँ पे. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. So how much getting question 33. Now look at here, 990 divided by 10. This is the 10. This is 2-digit number. 10 क्या है, 2-digit number है, तो हम यहाँ से भी 2-digit number लिखेंगे. ठीक है. So 99 present in the 10 table. This is the table of 10. 10 के टेबल में 99 है क्या, नहीं. What is the nearest value? 190. So what is the less than 99? 90 is the less than 99. 100 is the big than 99. So we'll take 90. Where is present? In the 9th place. हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, 9 लिख देंगे, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे 90, तो क्या होगा 99 माइनस 90 9। नाउ ब्रिंग डाउन 0, 0 को नीचे लिख दिया, ठीक है। नाउ 90 इज प्रेजेंट इन द 10 टेबल, यस, इन विच प्लेस, 9 प्लेस पे है, तो 90 माइनस 90 वी विल गेट 0. So how much getting question? 99. Now look at in example number 4. 880 divided by 8. Okay, so this is 3 digit number and this is 1 digit number. So 8 ones are 8, 8 minus 8 0. Now bring out 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 minus 8 0. Now bring out this one, this 0. So 0 divided by 0, 0 will get 0. So how much getting? 110 quotient. Okay, now look at here. 48 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4 0. Now bring out 8, 4 twos are 8, 8 minus 8 0. How much getting quotient? 12. Okay, now look at example number 6. What is the example number 6? 84 divided by 7. 84 divided by 7. So look at here. 84 divided by 7. Example number 6, 84 divided by 7. ठीक है. So 84, 8 is the present 7 table? No. So we'll take near value. नियर वैल्यू क्या होगी? 8 की नियर वैल्यू क्या होगी? 7 ही होगी. सो 7 कौन से प्लेस पे है? 1 प्लेस पे है. नाउ 8 माइनस 7 इज द 1. नाउ ब्रिंग डाउन 4. ठीक है. नाउ 14. सो लुक एट 4 टेबल, लुक एट 7 टेबल. 7 के टेबल में 14 आता है. यस, इन विच प्लेस? 2 प्लेस. सो विल राइट 2 हियर एंड 14 माइनस 14, हाउ मच? 0. कितना हो गया? 0. सो हाउ मच गेटिंग क्वेश्चन? 12. 7th number. What is the example number 7? 906 divided by 3. 906 divided by 3. So look at 3 tables. 3 के टेबल में 9 है. यस, इन विच प्लेस? 3 प्लेस. सो विल राइट 3 हियर एंड 9. 9 minus 9 0. Now bring down 0. So here is also 0 because after dividing 0 by 0 we will get 0. So we will write 0 here. Now bring down 6. 3 के टेबल में 6 आता है. यस, इन विच प्लेस? 2 प्लेस. सो विल राइट 2 here and 6 minus 6 0. So how much getting answer? 302. Now example number 8. What is the example number 8? 600 divided by 3. 600 divided by 3. So look at there. 6 is present in the 3 table. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write here 2 and 6 minus 6 0. Now bring down 0. So we'll write 0 here. Okay. Now 0 minus 0 0. Now bring down 0. We will write 0 here and 0 minus 0 0. So how much getting quotient? 200. Now look at example number 9. What is the example number 9? 464 divided by 2. 464 divided by 2. So now 4 is present, 2 tables, 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 2 here and 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring out 6. 6 is present, 2 tables. Yes, in which place? 3 place. So we'll write 3 here. 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring down 4. Now 4 is present, 2 tables. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 4. 4 minus 4, 0. How much getting question? 232. Now example number 10. What is the example number 10? 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8. So look at here. 8 टेबल, 8 के टेबल में 64 आता है. यस, इन विच प्लेस? 8 प्लेस. सो विल राइट 8 हियर and we will write 64 minus 64, 0. So we will get quotient 8. Now example number 11. What is the example number 11? 848 divided by 4. 848 divided by 4. So 8 is present, 4 tables. 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 2 here. 8 minus 8, 0. Now bring down 4. 4 ones are 4. So we'll write 1 here. And 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring down 8. Now 4 twos are 8 and 8 minus 8, 0. So how much getting question? 212. How much getting? 212. Now look at example number 12. So what is the example number 12? Example number 12. 909 divided by 9. 909 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9. So we'll put 0. Now bring down 0. So 0 divided by 0. 9 divided by 0. 0. So we'll get 0. So we'll get answer 0. Now 9 ones are 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. So how much getting answer? 101. Now look at example number 13. What is the example number 13? 700 divided by 7. 700 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Now bring down 0. So 7 divided by 0, 0. So we'll write 0 minus 0, 0. Now bring down 0. 7 divided by 0, we'll get 0. So 0 minus 0, we'll get 0. So how much getting? Answer 100. Now look at example number 14. What is the example number 14? 666 divided by 6. 666 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring down 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring down 6. 6 minus 6 ones are 6. So we'll get 0. So how much getting question? 111. Now look at example number 15. So what is the example number 15? 339 divided by 3. 339 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. Now bring down 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now bring down 9. And 9 is present 3 tables. Yes, in which place? 3 place. So we'll write 3 here. And 9 minus 9, 0. So how much getting question? 113. Example number 16. What is the example number 16? 96 divided by 4. 96 divided by 4. Now 9 is present in the 4 table. Look at here 4 tables. 4 के टेबल में 9 है क्या? What is the nearest value? 8 and 12. But 12 is the greater than 9, so we'll take 8. 8 कौन से प्लेस पे है? 2 वाले प्लेस पे. So we'll write 2 here and 9 minus 8 1. Now bring down 6 16. So 16 is present 4 table. Yes, in which place? 4. So we'll write 4 here. 16 minus 16 0. So how much getting quotient? 24. Now example number 17. What is the example number 70? 480 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Now bring down 8. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Now bring down 0. So 0 divided by 4 0 and 0 minus 0 0. So how much getting answer? 120. Now example number 18. 960 divided by 3. 960 divided by 3. Okay. So 9 is present 3 tables. Yes. 9 3 के टेबल में आता है. कौन से प्लेस पे है? 3 प्लेस पे है. So we'll write 3 here and 9 minus 9 0. Now bring down 6. 6 होता है 3 के टेबल में. Yes, in which place? 2 place. So we'll write 2 here and 6 minus 6 0. Now bring down 0. So 3 divided by 0 0 and 0 minus 0 0. So how much getting quotient? 320. Example number 90. What is the example number 90? 550 divided by 5. 550 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Now bring down 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Now bring down 0. 0 divided by 5 0. So 0 minus 0 0. So how much getting quotient? 110. Now example number 20. 900 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9 0. Now bring down 0. 0 divided by 9 0. 0 minus 0 0. Now bring down 0. 9 divided by 0 will get 0 and 0 minus 0 will get 0. So how much getting quotient? 100. So look at again one time what is the quotient we are getting. So first all of you look example number 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. This is the homework for you. So again which is the homework for you? 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. This is the homework for you. And these all question answer you will be write in your notebook. आपको ये question answer कहाँ लिखना है? डिवीजन नोटबुक में लिखना है. So look at here. First answer is the question is 32. Second का 33. Third का 99. Fourth का 110. 5 का 12. 6 का 12. 7 का 302. 8 का 200. 9 का 232. 10 का 8. 11 का 212. 12 का 101. 13 का 100. 14 का 111. 15 का 113. 16 का 24. 17 का 120, 18 का 320, 19 का 110 and 20 का 100. Okay, this is the question. So again one time, example number 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. This is the homework for you. I hope all of you nicely understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.